स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और आज आप लोगों के साथ डिस्कस करेंगे सम रिलेटेड इशू ऑफ व्हाई द स्टॉक मार्केट फेल टुडे एंड सेंसेक्स क्रैश ओवर 160 110 points, Nifty below 26,000 ahead of Fed meets 5 key factors and explains details. Today's I explains the why the stock market has failed today. Indian equities indeed lower on Monday with the Sensex and Nifty witnessing an intraday decline up to 1% as investors lock in profit across small and mid-cap stock. And broadened their sellings to major blue chips. President foreign fund withdrawal and a cautious mood ahead of the Federal Reserve policy decisions midweek further damps risk appetite. The SIP and BSE Sensex dropped 610 points or 0.7% to close at 85,102.69. The NSE Nifty 50 retreated 226 points or 0.9% to 25,960.55. Among the constituent of the Sensex, 26 out of 30 stocks were trading in the red, with BEL as the top lower 5% decline, followed by trends internal Tata Steel and Bajaj Finance are falling between 3 to 3%. आप लोगों ने देखा जो Bajaj Finance, Eternal, Tata Steel, BEL ये सब कंपनी ने जो मार्केट का फॉलिंग हो रहा है 2 to 3% आप लोगों ने देख पा रहे हैं. और here the factor why stock market is down today. The first, number one, question ahead of US Fed meet outcome. The market is closely watching the US Federal Reserve interest rate decision due to December 10. Although expectations are high for a 20 basis point rate cut, retail investors seems to be selling or holding to hedge against the possibility of unexpected outcome. If the US Federal Reserve decide against a rate cut, the dollar could strengthen, which may add to the pressures on the Indian equity market, which is already facing challenge from a weak rupee and continued foreign institutional investor outflows. Number two, sustains FII's outflow. The Indian market is under renewed the pressures are foreign investors continue to pull money out. Files the dumps about raised for 139 crore in equities on December 5, extending a steady run of outflow, even as domestic institutions stepped into which roughly raised 4,189 crore in net purchases. So far in December, overseas funds have offloaded around raised 6,584 crore after selling raised 11,592 crore in November. A sharp swing from their modest raise 918.80 crore of net buying in October. Sustained depreciation of the rupee has been forcing FIIs to sell in the market continuously. Another major factor is the spike in Japanese bond yield, which can trigger another bout of reversal of an carry trade. In brief, there is potential for high volatility, said Dr. V.K. Vijay Kumar, chief investment strategist at Geosis Investment. Number 3, rupee near record low. The Indian rupee is trading near record low, slipping to 90.15 against the dollar on Monday as rising crude price and steady foreign fund withdrawal weightage on statement the side has puzzled investors as the currency is weakening even as Indian post robust economics data, including 8.2% GDP growth in the September quarter and October inflation at the multi-year low of 0.2%. The pressures intensified after the rupee touched a fresh threat of 90.46 per dollar on Monday, December 4. A move trader party linked to the delay and the Indian-US trade agreement and President FYI outfalls. A weaker rupee's carrier border spillover of the combined economy, costlier import threatened to push up corporate expense and fuel price, raising the risks of inflationary flare-ups and adding another heading for market already containing with foreign capital flight. Or number 4, Indian-US trade deal remains in flux. Or number 5, racing JGB allies threaten flash volatility to emergence mark. Please video थोड़ा like और चैनल सब्सक्राइब और लेटेस्ट वीडियो पाने के लिए थैंक यू.